Hi guys, welcome back to Detroit Garage. Finally got started on this 253 build to go in my forklift. This is a 1958 Detroit 253 that I bought a couple years ago. Came out of a Deere 440 crawler and was in horrendous shape, but I got it for free, so I couldn't pass it up. In order to get it back together, I've hoarded a bunch of parts for it for the last couple of years. And I've got enough parts now to get it back together. So fortunately, a friend of mine, he donated a block and a crank and some camshafts and whatnot. So with the parts I've acquired and what I have, there's enough to build an engine. So that's what we're going to do. Right now I'm just cleaning parts and putting them on and figuring out what I need to order, whatnot to complete this. So I've ordered all the parts from PC Industries, and those will be delivered next week. So right now I'm just cleaning, inspecting, finding parts to put on it. And to give you an idea, I'll put a picture of what it looked like when I dragged it home. But here's the front cover, full of, everything was full of dirt. Had no oil pan on it, so this is what happened to the pickup, so we'll fix that. And here's the gears out of it. The rear gears, yeah, they're destroyed, so I've been able to find gears and whatnot to put on it, and the gears that are going on it are in pretty nice shape. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I can't wait to get it running. I'll bring you along for the rebuild video. Right now it's just nothing, we're just collecting parts, cleaning parts. And so I'm just over at the wash bin just cleaning, and it's pretty boring. I'm not gonna put you to sleep. And we ordered up the cast iron rings for it. And I'm putting in what's called an L40 injector. So the combination of the cast iron rings and the L40 injectors will stop it from slobbering, because it's under a light load, so it'll stop it from wet stacking and slobbering. So just thought I'd introduce the old Detroit. The block and the head were sent out and magnafluxed and hot tanked to make sure that they were worth rebuilding. So I'll bring you along for the full rebuild once I get all the parts, and I'm going to do the head myself now as well. So should be a lot of fun. So this is the Buddha it'll be replacing. I've measured it up. Again, it's going to be pretty tight. I'll show you the crank. I'm going to actually I'm a little embarrassed, to be honest, to show you the crank, but it might make you laugh. So this is the good crank, and like I said, the original engine, the original block, cranks, rotating assemblies were destroyed. I mean, they can be salvaged if you send them out and get them cut 10 to 20 thou. But here's the journals. They've had a hard life. But I'm going to polish those, and that'll take about 1,000ths off probably on the stove. So here's the bearings. The mains I've already thrown away, but that'll give you an idea what kind of life this poor engine had. It came out of a generator, this one, and it had a hard life under a load all the time. So anyway, we got new bearings coming. I'll polish the crank and should be golden. So that's it, guys. That's we'll call it the 253 restoration part 1. And then we'll continue from there. So thanks for checking in, guys, and we'll catch you on the next video. Take care.